Morning, you guys. So, today's video, I want to show you the healing process for a shoulder repair surgery. This is my husband's shoulder. Now, they had to go in and fix tendons, bicep muscles, remove bone spurs, like the whole damn 9 yards. Like, they had to go in and fix a lot to his shoulder. I don't know what that was, but that didn't taste good. Gross. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw probably some pictures. They're going to be pretty graphic, so I'm gonna put a trigger warning here. Trigger warning, graphic, surgical site, pictures. Now, I'm also going to preface this by saying, yes, they are graphic, but they're probably not as graphic as you're thinking. So, with that being said, you're going to see band-aids, you're going to see surgical sites, you're going to see 4 small sites, and then 1 larger site. Anyway, here's the pictures.